I'm Haslin. I am on the content team at Bulletproof, and I tried red light therapy. And I've been documenting my sessions with a video or a picture just to see if I can see any marked changes along the way.
One of the main benefits of the Juve light is it gives you a way to get a significant dosage of red and near-infrared light and add that to your daily regimen. Because in America we spend roughly 93% of our lifetime indoors and separated from natural light, our bodies are essentially starving for these wavelengths of light. And by adding this application of light to our daily routine, we're able to help increase our overall health in a number of different ways.
Basically, modern life is filled with damaging blue light from our cell phones, from the lights in our office, the LEDs in our cubicles, from just not getting out and being outside and experiencing light, and they're damaging our cells as well. But red light therapy can counter that.
Really, when it comes down to who should use red light therapy, it's pretty much anyone that cares about their health. For people that are interested in the beauty benefits, such as the increased collagen production, for skin health, or whether it's professional athletes that are looking to maximize their performance and reduce their recovery times, reduce muscle pain and soreness. We have customers that are elderly folks that are trying to increase their overall energy, improve their quality of sleep, and then we have folks that are in their 20s that are males that are trying to improve their testosterone production, for example.
The basic crux of red light is that if you are alive, your cells need ATP. And if you're stressed out or you're sick, maybe you're exposed to a bunch of junk light, your cells produce something called nitric oxide, which binds to CCO and halts the production of ATP synthase. That's a problem for your cells. But red light and near-infrared light can actually break the bond of nitric oxide to CCO, and it allows the oxygen to bind to NADH and restores the pathways to produce ATP synthase.
UV light, for example, there are specific wavelengths that are beneficial for vitamin D production.
So after about 20 days of red lighting, I can tell you that I started getting compliments on my skin, which is really random, but we work remotely at Bulletproof, and so I just had calls, Skype calls, where people would see my face and would be asking, like, what are you doing? Things are looking a little different. Your skin looks so bright. And I can tell you that nothing else in this time changed except the red light.
By helping to restore healthy cellular function, increasing ATP production, that's why we get these whole host of benefits. So everything from reducing joint pain, inflammation, reducing the time required for muscle recovery, boosting virtually every type of cellular function of the tissues of our body.
Overall, if you have access to a red light or a red light sauna, I would 100% recommend it.